Rural Radio Network, and it's time to take a look at our midday livestock trade with livestock market analyst Kyle Bumsted. And Kyle, we started the morning a little rocky, but it seems we've taken the swing to the upside here. What do you see for today's market?
Well, that's right. We have taken a swing to the upside here. We did start off rocky here. We were down almost $2 here about an hour ago, but as is tradition here, this market seems to find buyers here between that 9:30, 9:45 time frame, and starts to press on to the green side here once we get through that time frame. So big week as far as last week's cash in the live cattle side of things here. 235 here was traded all over Nebraska here on Friday after the close. Quite a bit there. I know a lot of yards would have sold for 232, but ended up getting 235. So pretty happy with that. In the futures side of things here, we are seeing some commercial buying here with the descanning on the Fed beginning on the April, and the April gaining on the June. So there's a little bit of commercial buying here behind this as well. There's talk of some packers going to 32-hour weeks here in Nebraska, and I think they're doing that to kind of slow it down here and try to improve their margins just a little bit. We are kind of on the precipice here of potential holiday demand season coming up here, so we are keeping our eyes on the box beef market as well. Now, a couple other things we're going to be keeping our eye on as well is the feeder cattle index. The index today looks like it's going to be up $1.08 around that 369 area when the Merc updates it later. The daily number going into that, though, is 366.07, so I would keep my eyes on that daily number here. If that starts to slip, then I don't know how bullish I'd be here on these front month feeders. And we are seeing a lot of bear spreading going on the feeders here with the October losing ground in November, November losing ground in January. And a lot of folks that were hedgers here, there was a pretty good opportunity here to move some of those out here at almost $2 premium here, November over October here today. So a lot of moving parts here in the next couple of weeks. A lot of position going to be happening here, especially here on Monday and Tuesday here with the funds scoring up their position tomorrow, Lacey.
Well, thank you, Kyle. That is livestock market analyst Kyle Bumsted. And if you'd like to talk to him about the livestock markets, call him at 308-708-7340. You're listening to the Rural Radio Network.
Are you concerned dry weather could impact your pasture, rangeland, or forage next year? PRF Insurance from Farm Credit Services of America offers protection against the risk of loss due to lack of precipitation in your grid. You choose the time period, coverage level, and number of acres to insure, and we do the rest. Apply by December 1st to easily lock in your PRF insurance. Call Farm Credit Services of America at 800-884-FARM. This institution is an equal opportunity provider and employer.
Do challenging weeds cloud your view of clean cornrows? It's time to shift your focus to residual weed control that won't quit. Introducing Store-In Corn Herbicide, an innovative formulation of 4 residual active ingredients that provide consistently clean rows and maximum weed control, up to 3 weeks longer than leading corn herbicides. For a focused weed management strategy that works, talk to your Syngenta retailer about Store-In. Always read and follow label instructions.
Welcome back to the Tractor Tuesday Market Desk. I'm Lacey Shippey on the Rural Radio Network. Farm listings made simple. TractorTuesday.com. Futures are mixed this morning, with the biggest factors continuing to be harvest, worldwide wheat production, and tension with China. Corn futures are 1 to 2 cents lower and near their session lows and 1 month lows. They're continuing to follow the light downward momentum and ongoing harvest pressure. Seasonally, the trade looks for a bottom around this time frame in the middle of harvest, and with prices down near the yearly lows. Soybeans have avoided going below the lows seen on Friday, though they have a long way to go to regain what the market lost. No doubt traders will continue to follow the tension between the U.S. and China until the end of the month, when the two may discuss trade. And the wheat markets are mixed, with continued pressure coming from the rest of the world, increasing production estimates each week. December corn is down 2 at 4.11. March down 1.5 at 427.5. November soybeans are unchanged at 10.06 3/4. January up 1.5 at 10.24 3/4. December Chicago wheat is unchanged at 498.5. March down 0.5 at 514 3/4. Kansas City December wheat is down 0.5 at 482.5. March down 0.5 at 504. December soybean meal is down 140 at 273.60. December bean oil it's up 51 cents at 50.48. October live cattle are up 147 at 239.95. December up 167 at 244.20. October feeders up 15 cents at 375.65. November up 52 at 376.42. December lean hogs are up 105 at 85.07. February up 85 at 87.15. And class 3 milk for November is down a penny at 16.20. You're listening to the Rural Radio Network.